So if you're into crypto and you're into major airdrop in general, and you've actually not make up to like some amount, you actually feel like the way you see people wallet actually having thousands of dollars and you have not made the same amount, I think we are kind of in the same shoe. And let's just take a selfie to celebrate this. So just give me a post. I'm coming. Yep, smile. Yeah, so I got it. So we're going to see how you're actually going to be performing before the end of this particular video, after I actually tell you what I have in mind, and let's rub some mind together right now. So this is not going to be a kind of long video. It's actually going to be a short video for people that are interested in how to improve in their airdrop mining, how to actually make more money right now. So if you are into airdrop right here, this is the step and this is what you need to know to be able to level up, because the way you are mining is actually good, but if you actually put those effort of mining the way you actually put your mining and everything, so some other aspect that's going to enhance your mining ability and to turn it into dollars right now, this is going to help you a lot. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is actually community. All right, before I start, if you're actually watching this particular video, I have a link in the description with links to my Telegram. And if you join, you're going to be getting some other information right here. That's what I'm talking about. That is building up community, right? It doesn't matter. You don't need to be a YouTuber. You can even open a WhatsApp group. Even if it's just 10 people you actually have, or 5 in the WhatsApp group right now, it's going to go a long way right here, because most of these particular airdrops are all about referral, and once they actually refer, they actually put people that refer into consideration than people that are just mining without referring. So that's the difference between how to make more money into airdrop and thereabout. And the other thing right now is you're going to notice that airdrop at this particular moment are all about pay to earn, because before we are with play to earn, that is what airdrop is all about. 2021 2020, when airdrop are still airdrops, but right now you're going to see you are having a lot of ton transaction, a lot of transaction right here. Some yield to be good and some yield to be bad, right? So what you need to know right here is to look at projects that you can actually invest into very well, because you can't keep mining all projects. There are projects that you can invest, and there are some where you don't even need to bother to invest. Even if they're getting you to invest, just ignore them and focus on, even if you are mining 5 and focus on 2 just to invest in them. Know how if you are not going to make higher profit, you are going to make a profit and capital. That is something about it right here. So if you think what I'm saying is actually like interesting or true, let me know in the comment section and let me see what you think about that. Another thing I wanted to talk about is about working very smart right here. So I would like to make some further videos, so if you are interested, you can actually stay tuned to the channel and give this video a thumb like. You can also hit the subscribe button if you feel like, so you're going to be getting some tangible information as time goes on into this particular area we're going to be diving into, right? So I'm going to be making more consistent video about how you can actually improve your crypto, how you can actually make more money through your airdrop right here. But for this particular 2 points that is very genuine right now, the first one I talked about was community. You actually need a community to actually build up. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to be, the community doesn't have to be big or thereabouts. Or you just be an early adopter and you see an information very fast, then gather some people together into a community, small set of stuff, and give them information, right?